Hello, my name is Kaylee Hoffman, and I will be teaching middle school states history for 5th and 6th grade this year at the Rock Academy. I want to start by giving you my contact information so you know how to get a hold of me throughout the year, and even now if you need to. My phone number is 407-754-4613. And really, texting is the best way to get a hold of me. I will respond to that very quickly. If you do need to call me, I would just ask that it be between Monday and Friday, and mornings and afternoons would be preferable. You can always email me. That's another great way of getting a hold of me that I'll get back to you soon. And that is my full name, Kaylee Hoffman, 84@gmail.com. And there will be an outline for this state's history class attached somewhere on this website that you'll be able to print out, and that all of that information will be on there, and that way you know how to communicate with me. I'm really excited about teaching this class this year. This is actually the first time we've done a state's history class, and the curriculum is actually provided by us. You will just be paying a small fee for the printing fee. Your students will be doing a super fun, in-depth learning of all 50 states, and then also learning about Washington, D.C., and also learning about the United States in general. And we're also going to be learning about monuments, memorials, and national parks for each state that we learn. So it's going to be really fun. They're going to learn about the state's song, the state's motto, the bird, all the history, all the fun facts, how it came to be named, all of those really fun things, and then they're going to be able to put their own creative stamp on how that state looks and how the notebook becomes such a big part of the class. The notebook is going to be really, really fun. Again, there is no curriculum per se needed for this class. We will be providing the printouts for your student, but I would ask that you, the first day of school, please provide a 1.5-inch binder with notebook paper in it, and that is really what they need. Just that binder. I will be handing them the handouts, the assignment sheets, and all the things that they need. But without a binder, it can get kind of crazy. So that, they will also need a pencil with an eraser. We have sharpeners here, but we need to make sure they have a pencil so they're able to take notes and work on things in class. And then also a packet of colored pencils, because we're going to be doing a lot of drawing, a lot of creative hands-on things. So those are the things they need the first day of class. Other than that, I will be providing the printouts for them. I'm really excited to teach this. I think it's going to be a fun way for them to learn about our United States, things I'm sure they did not even know. And I think it'll be a great way for you, having a 5th or 6th grader in the class, to get your feet wet into some kind of history. They're going to have a great time. So some of the things that I expect in my class, I want to go over that, are that as a teacher, I expect for the student to come in prepared. So what I will do is send home an assignment sheet. This assignment sheet will be super easy to read. What will happen is we'll meet for 2 hours at the class time. I fill the entire 2 hours, and then they will receive an assignment sheet for 3 days worth of work. They will be broken down. It will be really simple. You will know exactly what is expected. I will even have on there what the points value is for what they're doing. As long as that assignment is turned in on time, the very next week they receive full points. Basically, it's just for completion grade. It is not going to receive full points if it is late, and if it's 2 weeks late, it receives 0. So what happens if you go on vacation? What happens if your child is sick? Basically, what you need to do is work out with me in advance if you're going on vacation, or you know you're going to be missing class, and we will work out a new due date for your child so they're not missing points. If the morning of class your child wakes up and they're sick and they can't come to class, again, just communicate with me, text or email, and I will make sure to work out a due date with them once they're well, and that way they're also not missing points. What I'm saying is communication is the most important thing. So if you know that stuff, just let me know and we can work it out. If I don't know, if I don't hear from you, then it will reflect on how that is graded. And I don't want that to happen for your student. So I expect when they get these assignment sheets that their assignments come back in done on time and done well to the best of their ability. And what you can do as a parent at home is just make sure that you're reading that with them. They understand what they're supposed to do. And if they don't, reach out to me and I can help. What I expect from you at home, exactly what I said, that you would help them to understand what they're doing, that you would be checking GradeLink, which is our online grading system, and that's going to help you know what grade they're getting, and also if I have concerns or if I have accolades for your child, I'll write them in there. And so it's important that at least once a week you're logging on to that and you are checking your child's grade. What you can expect from me as a teacher is that I'm going to be fair, the class is going to be really fun, I'll be on time, I will be prepared, and they will learn a lot. Again, I'm really excited about teaching your child. If you have any questions or any concerns, you can even contact me now, and I'd be happy to talk with you. But I'm excited to teach your 5th or 6th grader all about United States history.